guys, good morning. Yeah. Today is Friday, November 6. They're starting now to lay the bricks around my small kitchen here and outside. This is the job this morning. So we have still our workers here who's doing laying the bricks, and they're mixing some concrete to put in. Alright, still there Kuya Jun, Betong, and I have the two labor there, which is Angelo and Jun. The two rest ko po. So guys, they're still at work of the outside kitchen. Now they're starting to do some plastering inside of it, and still Kuya Jun was putting some hollow block on the side area, and the other guys was working inside, and the two guys was helping also mixing some concrete to pour at these hollow blocks. And I'm just checking their work, and also sometimes just helping out to sort it out everything. So that's the job for today. We're almost finished our job for today and continue for tomorrow. This is the job for today, guys. So all the concrete was set up already. As my husband wanted, we have sink here. So this is the area for this pizza oven. So I put a size 6 hollow bricks here, and this one is size 4, both sides. I think it will be okay because it's very near to each other already. That's only like 70 and to 1 meter, I think, this one. So we have here as well the space area, then here is the barbecue area soon, and this is the front, the mini bar, and also this side, and this is the entranceway. Sorry, there's a lot of mess in the side of the house still. That's the house. Houseworks is little by little, so at the moment I want to finish this small kitchen for outside. So that's the work for the day, guys, as November 5. And tomorrow we will start plastering, then after that we will pour concrete on the top of it. Now they're putting some wire, and then they done already a rough finish for the inside box, I mean cabinet. Wirings also plastered inside cabinets. Drainage for the sink, and also water, and also electricity for that one. Almost done plastering inside before they're gonna put the top area. So today is November 6, okay? That's the update for this morning. They're just plastering all over inside, and hopefully later they're gonna form the top surface.